Just as construction workers lay a strong foundation, everyday life requires a solid groundwork. By planning, organizing, and building a stable routine, we create the structure necessary for success and happiness. In the kitchen, as in construction, attention to detail is key. From precise measurements to meticulous execution, we understand that the smallest elements can make the biggest difference in achieving culinary perfection. Construction and cooking share a common thread: the power of transformation. Just as builders transform raw materials into magnificent structures, chefs transform simple ingredients into delectable dishes that delight the senses. Patience and perseverance are virtues shared by both chefs and construction professionals. We know that great results take time and effort. With dedication and a can-do attitude, we can construct a fulfilling and satisfying life. In the hustle and bustle of construction sites and kitchens, teamwork is vital. Just like a well-coordinated construction crew, a cohesive kitchen team can create extraordinary outcomes, turning chaos into harmony.
Ba 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 ba.